Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new video on the Toyota Maintenance channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change or replace the cabin air filter on a 2023 Toyota Corolla. Stick around to see the full process. The filter is located right behind this cover here. First, we'll unclip this part, then we'll need to push it back slightly, and then forward to remove this cover completely. After that, we'll press down on the two clips you see here to take off the second cover. Now we'll carefully take out the old filter. It's important to remember that this filter should ideally be replaced every 5,000 to 10,000 miles to keep the air in the cabin clean. As you can see, the plastic cover here has a small marking, showing that the filter should always face up. Next, we'll put in the new filter. Always remember to position it so that the arrow on the filter points upwards, and make sure the plastic cover also has the arrow facing up. It's very easy to install. Just push it gently into place, and it should fit snugly. Before we finish, make sure the cover is aligned with the arrow pointing up as well. We'll put the cover back like this, and now we've successfully replaced the cabin air filter. Now, we just need to secure everything back. Let's add this client's belongings back in place. We'll hook the cover onto these clips you see here and press it down as if we were closing it. Be gentle to avoid snapping any of these small clips. And there you have it. The filter is correctly replaced and everything is back in order. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.